So after that you can see the teams are successfully generated. All these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. So in this video I am going to give you the Grand League tips and tricks by using our software for the tomorrow's match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders. So in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams. So you have to watch the video till the end in order to get the proper idea and to get the 100% winning teams for the tomorrow's match. So before generating the teams, let's analyze the data that we have. So let's see the data that we have. So the probable playing 11 from both the teams will be, so from the Sunrisers Hyderabad, those will be David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, Manish Pandey, Kane Williamson, Vijay Shankar, Priyam Garg, Abdul Samad, Rashid Khan, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, T. Natarajan and Sandeep Sharma. And from the Kolkata Knight Riders side, the probable playing 11 will be Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Nitish Rana, Ian Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Shakibul Hasan, Andrew Russell, Pat Cummins, Kamlesh Nagarkoti, Prasidh Krishna and Varun Chakravarti. These players will be the probable playing 11 for the tomorrow's match. So let's analyze the even more data. So the top players in both the teams will be from the Sunrisers Hyderabad, David Warner, Rashid Khan, Johnny Bairstow, Manish Pandey and Kane Williamson. And from the KKR side, Shubman Gill, Nitish Rana, Ian Morgan, Andrew Russell and Pat Cummins might be the top players for the tomorrow's match. So in our software, in order to generate the teams, we do have to consider the captain capability players. So the captain players will be from the Sunrisers Hyderabad. So we can consider as a captain David Warner can be considered as a captain, Rashid Khan and Johnny Bairstow, and as well as from the KKR side, Shubman Gill, Andrew Russell and Pat Cummins can be considered as a captain players because they have the potential to be to perform as a captain players for the fantasy team. As well as the captain. So let's check the vice captain players from both the teams as well. So the vice captain capability players from the SRH side will be David Warner, Rashid Khan, Johnny Bairstow, Manish Pandey and Kane Williamson, and from the KKR side those will be Shubman Gill, Andrew Russell, Ian Morgan and Nitish Rana. So after analyzing this data, let's analyze the pitch details and other statistics as well. So the pitch will be balanced pitch. That means it will be equal chances for the both batting and fielding as well, bowling as well. And the total average score will be 147. That means around 300 runs out of 40 overs will be expected on tomorrow. So this is a balanced pitch. So in point of view of our team generating software, let's analyze some of the valuable data that will help us to generate the 100% winning teams in the Grand Leagues. So the data, the first concern will be since it is a batting and moreover it is a balanced pitch, so that total team credit range will be 98 to 100 will be a good range for generating the teams, as well as since both the teams are almost equal, SRH and KKR are almost same, are equal, and we might favor little SRH on tomorrow. So the SRH we can consider 7 players from SRH and 4 players from KKR, as well as sorry, there is a mistake here, and also 6 players from SRH and 5 players from KKR as well. And after that, when it comes to the combinations, since tomorrow's pitch will be around 300 runs out of 40 overs, so we can consider like this. So we can go with 1-4-2-4. That means 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 4 bowler, or 1-1-5-1-4. That means we can go with 1 wicket keeper, 5 batsmen, 1 all-rounder, 4 bowlers, and also 1 wicket keeper, 5 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. We can also go with these combinations to generate the top quality teams. So since we have already analyzed all this data, so let's jump into our generating software so that we can generate the Grand League teams. So let's jump into this. So this is how the software look like. Those who don't know about this software is a team generating software. It uses multiple techniques and algorithms to generate the top quality teams, and it supports lot of sports, and also every single series of cricket as well. And so in this software, let's go ahead, click on cricket. And those who want to know how this software work, I have already made a lot of videos on our channel, so you can check those videos as well. So after that, we need to click on generate teams, and after that we need to choose the fantasy. That means whether in which fantasy you are actually playing. So most of us wanted to play in Dream 11. Let's select Dream 11. And after that, it is asking us to choose the series. So since we are going for the IPL, so we need to select IPL as well. And after that, there are 3 sections here. One is for small league, quick small league, and quick grand league. These 2 sections, software will take care of everything. That means you just need to select the players that are playing on tomorrow. Everything will be taken care by the software. Everything, that means all the credit range and all the credits, all the players, all the captains and vice captains, everything will be selected by these by the software itself. Because the software uses lot of techniques and algorithms, the teams are very accurate. And this is a third section. This is advanced generation section. This is a little powerful section. That means we need to give some data by ourselves, along with the software will do its job, but also we need to give some data. So let me go with the advanced generation section. And after that, it is asking us to choose the teams. So the teams will be KKR versus SRH. After that, we need to click on continue. And after that, we need to give match number. You can give any match number. It is just like a reference, because whatever the teams you generated in this software, those teams will be saved in your device. This software works completely fine in your both mobile and in laptop also. So you can give any match number. Let me give 30 as the match number. And after that, you need to select the players. You need to select at least 6 players from each side. That means at least 6 and maximum of 11 from each side as well. So you don't need to select 11 and 11 from each side. You can select at least 6 from each side. So let me go ahead and select all the players, all the 11 players from both the sides. So let me quickly select them. Shubman Gill, Tripathi. So I am going with the probable playing 11. The players might change because no one will have the accurate data of who is going to play on tomorrow. So the probables might change, but let's stick with whatever the things that I have shown in the video, in the analysis video, and whatever the things that we have analyzed before. Let's stick to that. And from the SRH side, let's select the probable playing 11, and so these are the players from the SRH side. So after that, we need to click on continue. And after that, it is asking us to select fixed players in your team. That means whatever the player you select in this section, that player will be there in all the generated teams. That means that player if that player is very important, you need to select them. For example, Johnny Bairstow is in very good form right now, so I trust him a lot. That's why I want to fix him as the captain. So I want to fix him as a player in my all matches. That's why I'm selecting him. You don't have to select anybody. You can even leave this section as well, but let me go with the Johnny Bairstow because he is in very good form right now. You can also go with Rashid Khan. You can also go with Pat Cummins, because these players will definitely take 1 or 2 wickets, but let me go with the Johnny Bairstow itself. And after that, you need to select the players you want to consider as captain. So let me select some of the players that I feel they have the potential to be treated as a captain. So I have already shown you the slides as well regarding the captain players and all the vice captain players as well. So let me quickly select them. So after that, we need to select the vice captain players. That means the players who you want to consider as a vice captain also we need to select, that we have already given in the slides as well in this particular video. So let me quickly select them. So after that, we need to click on continue. And after that it is asking us the team partition strategy. That means how many players you want from one team and how many players you want from another team, that we have already shown in the slides previously as well. So those slides will be we want 7 players from SRH and 4 players from KKR, as well as 6 players from SRH and 4 players from KKR as well. So after that we need to click on continue. And after that it is asking the credit range. I have already shown you the proper credit range for tomorrow match according to the data we have. So that will be 98 to 100. So after that we need to select the strategies. These strategies also I have already shown, the 1523, 1514. These are the 3 strategies that we are going right now. After that we need to click on continue. After it is asking us to enter the number of teams you want to generate. Let me enter 11 because I want to generate 11 teams. So after that you can see the teams are successfully generated. All these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate, and these teams are heavily filtered by the software in order to get the 100% winning teams. You can see all the teams are generated. You can see all the credits is also there. All these teams are generated. I hope you guys like this video. Please follow this video. Please those who already taking this software, please follow this video, so you will definitely have a higher chances of winning the Grand Leagues. So I hope you like this video. Those who want to who on this software, who have interest on this software, can contact me. I have already provided you the contact details in the description box below and in the comment section as well. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.